Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you so much for asking. How about you?
I am also fine.
Okay. How is your morning going on?
My morning was good, amazable today.
Sorry, I did not
How
get.
my morning was very well today.
Okay. What you did? Have you done any productive?
No, no, I didn't. But I have one daughter. She went to school in morning, so I prepared for her lunch. So that's why.
Okay. Now you are totally free, right?
Yes, I am free.
Yeah. When I saw your message, then I got to know about you also a mother because
Yes.
you told school timing is you are free. So I related.
Now
Okay.
I have a small kid also. He sleep
Okay.
now.
Okay, he is sleeping. Okay, he is a boy, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, how old is he?
He is now 1.5 years old.
1.5. Okay, and daughter?
She is 10 years old.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, please tell me about yourself. I would like to know about you.
Okay, okay. My name is Jolly. I came from Patna. I currently live in Delhi, and I
Okay,
have completed my B.Ed. Now, if you talk about my hobby is listen to music and another now learning English. That's why.
oh, that's great. Very good to know.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to introduce myself, right? We are meeting for the very first time. So
Yes.
my name is Susmita Kaushik. I am from UP currently. Basically, I am from Assam. About my qualification, I have done master in education subject. I have done PGTC as a computer course also. I'm married person, mother of one kid. Simultaneously, I'm running YouTube channel. Name is Global English Quest. And apart from my hobbies, I like to play badminton, reading books, and cooking. And nowadays, talking to different peoples. That's all about me.
Okay. I have also YouTube channel. Its name
Okay,
is JK English World.
JK, sorry,
JK English World.
English words.
World.
Yeah, similar.
Yes.
My channel name is Global English Quest. Sorry,
Global. Like global and world like same.
but are similar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, tell me why are you learning this language? Is there any special things you wanna grab?
Yes. You are asking what a good question. I learning this language because I want to work in a school. I
Oh,
I teached also in a school before 2 years uh, ago, but now I am not going there because I have a small kid. So I learning English. Mm, I want to English teacher.
you want to be an English
Maybe
teacher?
yes,
Oh,
yes. So
okay.
I learning here.
Okay, your subject is English.
No,
Have you
no,
done
my subject. No, no. I had my subject as all subjects and English also, but English is second language. I have.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, why did you think about I will be an English teacher? Do you like this language?
Yes, I like this language. And second thing is my husband. He want to he want to success me in English.
We want to see you as a successful person, right?
Yes, yes. So
That's
I
great. That supports you.
yes.
Wow, that's great. When did you start to learn this language?
I started before 1 month.
Okay, recently you
Yes,
have started, right?
yes, yes,
Okay. Okay, initially you started to speak with people and you created YouTube channel that is very commendable.
yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
what you do for enhance your communication for learning this language?
Okay. I saying that I I founded I before 1 month I founded some rewarding to some people to talk with me, but I
Oh,
didn't found that time, and I saw that time also on YouTube channel. Somebody's their conversation is in each other, and speaking with each other, and also stories in English, and movies are also in English in YouTube. So I decided that time I will also speak English, and now I learning.
wow, that's great. Is there any
No,
particular channel do you follow?
no, no, I have only one channel.
Okay, no, I'm asking you, is there any particular others channel? Which channel are you following?
Yes, I follow Anjana ma'am and Swati ma'am on YouTube channel, and also Kanchan ma'am.
Okay, yes. You can great.
When
Would you like a topic
yes,
or any question do
yes,
you have to?
yes, yeah, why not? When did you start your English language?
Okay, I have started my English journey around 1 year.
1 year.
Okay, which kind problem are you facing nowadays to start your learning journey?
I have lots of problem in my journey, English journey, but I face all problem with this because I want to learn English. Um, like I want to learn English. I will go or somewhere with my family. So I see somebody speaking in English. I want to
Okay,
also speak in English with that time. So I facing this problem.
okay. Before starting this language, learning this language, you have faced this kind of problem, right?
Yes, yes,
That's why you thought I should learn this language.
yes,
Yeah, that's great. I'm asking you, for learning this language, for speak this language, have you faced any kind of difficulties so far? Like
no,
a
no,
like a
yes,
hesitation, no, sentence doesn't come in your mouth. It's happened.
yes. It is very hard for me English language because I think in my mind, but I didn't speak with my mouth. Yes, but
Yeah.
now I think before in my mind, and that time I speak in with mouth. Like I work in my kitchen and in my living room, that anywhere. So I think and speak also.
Wow, that is a good thing.
Yes,
Initially, we have to do this kind of activity, right? Okay,
yes,
you
yes,
can do also one thing, story, reading, and listening. Do you do?
yes, yes. I listen to
Oh,
a story on YouTube. There are lots of stories. So
yeah.
yes, so I listen in English movie also I listening this time, and small stories like families stories, and I see also kids uh, kids program like
Okay. Blogs
my
like,
daughter, yes, yes, my daughter see cartoon channel in English, so I also
watch
see.
the, yeah.
Yes.
Also very helpful. Okay, I used to watch these kind of videos also. Still, I watch sometime with my baby, and I enjoy a lot. I
Yes,
give to him simultaneously. It's help us also and for baby,
yes,
right?
yes,
That's on the pretext of watching this kind of videos, they can learn lots of things from there, how to speak. And sometimes, what I do with him, I pause the video and ask again what they said. You have to
yes.
narrate.
I again pause go to before and see what is he or she saying.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
that is also very helpful. Yeah, I do this kind of activity also still because my baby, I just want to check to my baby how much he is able to understand, right? So
okay,
I do pause and I ask to him what he said or what they said. So if we able to explain me properly, then I will forward the video. Otherwise, I will back again and listen properly.
okay,
I see my baby like this. It's very helpful. If they are watching, if they are watching something, if they are frittering away their time, then it should be utilized, right?
yes.
Yeah, that's why
And
I do this kind of things.
and my daughter, she understand the English all things because she going to an English school, learning all subject in English. So she understands all thing in English, and she want to speak me also. She said, "You, Mama, you speak in English. I will help you."
Wow, that's great.
Yes,
Yes, it's kids are first friend. We can learn very
yes,
easily.
yes,
My baby, when I started speak, I had no any partner to connect with, anyone, and I used to talk with him only. So that's how he is able to speak now, and I also able to speak.
yes. It is very easy for us because where we want to, we went to founding some people who is connect with me. Now a Skype app is easy for us.
Yes,
Yes,
definitely. That is true. Yeah.
yes,
With this having of this Skype, then maybe we were not able that much, how much we are able to speak, right?
yes, yes,
That
yes.
helps a lot in free of cost, and we get easily partner to
Easily.
connect whenever we want, whenever you get time, then people are available to connect with you.
Um,
Also
when
very,
we are free, we can connect with each other
yeah,
on a Skype.
definitely. Okay, yeah, that is also good activity. That's how our kids also interest to learn and speak this language, right?
Yes, yes. She is
Okay.
interested in English.
And your bucket list in your life, what do you want to do? Where you want to go?
No, I don't have any goal, but I have only one goal. I will make one teacher only for English.
Okay, do you have any question?
No, no, I don't have any question now.
Okay, then we can connect again, okay?
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
bye. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.